Welcome back. Today we're transforming your bedroom into the ultimate winter sanctuary, a cozy retreat you'll never want to leave. As the days get colder, your bedroom should feel like a warm hug at the end of every day. We'll cover 7 simple, impactful ideas to turn your space into a dreamy winter haven. From plush bedding and magical lighting to personal touches and functional warmth, you'll have everything you need to hibernate in style. So grab a hot drink, get comfy, and let's dive into creating your coziest bedroom ever. Ready? Let's get started. The heart of any cozy bedroom is, without a doubt, the bed. It's the centerpiece, the place you retreat to after a long, chilly day. So let's make it absolutely irresistible, somewhere you can't wait to curl up and unwind. Start by swapping out your lightweight summer sheets for flannel. Flannel sheets are soft, warm, and perfect for those frosty nights when you want to feel cocooned. They instantly add a layer of coziness that regular cotton just can't match. Next, layer on a lightweight quilt or a textured coverlet. This not only adds extra warmth but also gives you flexibility. If you get too warm, you can easily peel back a layer. Think of it as building a bedding sandwich, with each layer adding its own unique comfort. Now, top everything off with a plush, high-quality duvet. Imagine sinking into a fluffy, cloud-like comforter that wraps you in warmth. Choose a duvet with a high fill power for maximum coziness, and opt for a neutral duvet cover. Think soft whites, gentle grays, or calming taupes. These shades create a clean, luxurious look that's easy to style and feels timeless, no matter how you accessorize. For that extra touch of texture and warmth, drape a chunky knit blanket at the foot of your bed. Not only does it look inviting, but it's also perfect for grabbing during especially cold nights or lazy weekend mornings. And don't forget about pillows. Mix your regular sleeping pillows with oversized Euroshams to add height and dimension. The more layers, the more inviting your bed will look and feel. To finish, add a couple of decorative throw pillows in luxurious fabrics like velvet or faux fur. These not only provide that final touch of softness, but also introduce rich textures and a sense of indulgence. Play with different shapes and sizes, maybe a round pillow or a lumbar cushion, to make your bed look thoughtfully styled. The goal is to create a bed that looks and feels like a 5-star winter retreat. Every night you'll sink into layers of warmth and comfort, surrounded by softness on all sides. Your own personal nest, designed just for you. It's a space that invites you to slow down, relax, and truly enjoy the season. Trust me, once you've experienced a thoughtfully layered bed, you'll never want to get out of it. With each layer, you're not just adding warmth, you're building the foundation of your winter sanctuary, a place where you can recharge and find comfort no matter how cold it gets outside. Remember, it's not just about piling on blankets. It's about curating a mix of textures and materials, flannel, knits, velvet, faux fur, to create the ultimate cozy experience. Each fabric brings its own warmth and tactile pleasure, making your bed a sensory haven. This is where your winter hibernation truly begins, and where you'll want to spend every chilly evening. So, are you ready to make your bed the star of the season? With just a few thoughtful changes, you can transform your bedroom into a cozy retreat that feels both luxurious and inviting. Now that your bed is perfectly layered and ready for winter, let's move on to the next essential, creating the perfect lighting to complete your cozy sanctuary. Lighting truly sets the mood in any space, but especially in your bedroom during winter. Instead of relying on harsh overhead lights that can feel cold and uninviting, opt for soft, layered glows that wrap the room in warmth. The right lighting can transform your bedroom from a basic space into a cozy retreat you'll never want to leave. String lights or fairy lights are a simple way to instantly add a magical, inviting vibe. Drape them over your headboard, weave them through shelves, or wrap them around windows to create a soft, twinkling effect that feels both whimsical and comforting. Their gentle glow is perfect for winding down at night or creating a festive atmosphere on chilly evenings. When it comes to bedside lamps, always choose warm white bulbs. Look for those with a color temperature around 2700 K for that cozy amber hue. This subtle shift in lighting makes a huge difference, helping your space feel more restful and inviting, especially when the sun sets early. Candles are a must for ambiance. Whether you prefer the real thing or opt for flameless options for safety, their soft flickering light adds instant warmth and a sense of calm. Cluster a few on a tray, or scatter them around the room for a soothing, spa-like effect that's perfect for relaxing after a long day. Don't be afraid to mix and match different types of lighting. Place lamps and lights at different heights on nightstands, shelves, or even the floor to create pools of warmth throughout the room. This layered approach not only looks beautiful but also allows you to adjust the mood depending on the time of day or your activities. For something a little different, try a Himalayan salt lamp. Its gentle pinkish glow adds a touch of earthy style and a unique ambiance that's both calming and visually interesting. It's a small detail that can make a big impact on the overall feel of your space. The goal is to have multiple low-level light sources that make your space feel like a glowing retreat. Experiment with placement, move lamps, add or remove string lights, and see how the atmosphere changes. Keep adjusting until your room feels like the ultimate winter hideaway, perfect for reading, relaxing, or simply unwinding. Remember, lighting is the secret ingredient to making your bedroom feel like a true sanctuary. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling comforted, safe, and at home, especially during the colder months. Now that your lighting is set, let's make every surface touchably soft for the ultimate cozy experience. Texture is what takes your room from just looking cozy to truly feeling it. It's the difference between a space that's simply decorated and one that wraps you in comfort the moment you walk in. Soft textures invite you to slow down, relax, and enjoy the warmth of your home, especially during the colder months. Start with a plush area rug or faux sheepskin by your bed. No more cold feet in the morning. These rugs not only add warmth underfoot, but also create a visual softness that instantly makes your bedroom feel more inviting. Choose a rug with a deep pile or a fluffy texture for maximum coziness. Layer smaller rugs for extra warmth and dimension if a big one isn't in the budget. Mixing different patterns and materials can add character and depth to your space, making it feel thoughtfully curated. Don't be afraid to play with colors and shapes to create a unique look. Drape soft throws over chairs or benches and add velvet or chenille pillows for a luxe touch. These elements not only look beautiful, but they're perfect for snuggling up with a good book or a cup of tea. Try mixing different fabrics, like faux fur, chunky knits, and smooth velvets for a layered, inviting effect. Swap out light curtains for thick, insulated ones. Velvet or heavy linen keeps warmth in and drafts out. Heavier drapes also help block out chilly winter air and create a cocoon-like atmosphere, making your bedroom feel like a true retreat from the cold. Use woven baskets for storage and add a macrame wall hanging or tapestry for softness and style. These natural textures bring a sense of calm and earthiness to your room, while also keeping things organized and clutter-free. The more textures, the richer and more inviting your space feels. Don't hesitate to pile on extra blankets and pillows. Each layer adds another level of comfort and visual interest. Every detail, from rugs to curtains, adds to the sensory experience. Even small touches, like a knitted poof or a soft fabric lampshade, can make a big difference in how cozy your room feels. Now, let's create a special spot just for you. Imagine a cozy reading nook or a quiet corner layered with plush pillows, soft throws, and gentle lighting. A personal sanctuary where you can unwind and truly enjoy the comfort of your winter bedroom. Winter is the perfect time to carve out a cozy reading nook. Find a corner, by a window or bookshelf, and add a comfy chair or a pile of floor cushions. Layer with a soft blanket and a supportive pillow. Add a floor lamp or table lamp for focused, gentle light. Keep a small table or stack of books nearby for your current read and a warm drink. Personalize with a plant, favorite art, or a stack of beautiful books. This nook is your invitation to slow down and escape into a good story. It's a ritual of relaxation, built right into your room. Next, let's make your sanctuary smell as good as it looks. Scent is the invisible layer that completes your winter haven. Choose candles with warm, nostalgic fragrances. Think cinnamon, pine, vanilla, or sandalwood. Use an essential oil diffuser for a continuous subtle aroma. Try blends like pine and orange or lavender and cedar wood. Make modern potpourri with dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and pine cones for a natural decorative touch. Tuck scented sachets in drawers or spritz linen spray on your bedding for a gentle, calming scent at bedtime. Bring in fresh eucalyptus or pine branches for a clean, natural fragrance. Keep scents subtle and complementary, just enough to create a welcoming atmosphere. The right scent makes your room feel truly special and complete. Now, let's add the finishing touches with winter decor. Time to add personality and charm with winter-inspired decor. Swap in art prints of snowy landscapes or misty forests for a serene vibe. Drape garlands of faux pine, eucalyptus, or felted wool over your headboard or dresser. Try a DIY project. Paper snowflakes in the window or painted pine cones in a bowl. Bring in natural elements, bare branches in a vase, a rustic wreath, or a few bottle brush trees. Create small vignettes on your dresser or bedside table with candles, pine cones, and wintry accents. Choose decor that genuinely resonates with you. This is your sanctuary. These personal touches make your room feel uniquely yours. Let's finish with a few functional accessories to keep you extra warm. Cozy isn't just a look, it's about staying warm and comfortable all winter long. Invest in a heated blanket or mattress pad for instant, adjustable warmth. Use draft stoppers at doors and windows to keep the chill out. Keep plush slippers by your bed for toasty feet every morning. Try a hot water bottle or microwavable heat pack for soothing, targeted warmth. Add a small humidifier to combat dry winter air and keep your space comfortable. Upgrade your loungewear. Think plush robes and fleece-lined pajamas for ultimate relaxation. These functional touches make your sanctuary as practical as it is beautiful. You're now ready to hibernate in style. That's it. 7 steps to your ultimate winter hibernation haven. I hope you're inspired to create a space that brings you comfort and joy all season long. Share your favorite cozy tips or your own winter bedroom makeover in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cozy home ideas. Stay warm, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.